Margin genuinely creates real space outside an element's border, pushing away neighboring actual elements. In this video, you'll control real spacing with margin. This real property genuinely adds space below each box, pushing the actual next element further down. Margin 16px auto genuinely sets real vertical spacing and horizontally centers the box. Auto genuinely splits leftover space evenly. 4 real values here genuinely set top, right, bottom, left margin in that actual clockwise order, same pattern as border width. Margin genuinely adds space outside an element's border. Margin value auto genuinely centers a block element horizontally. 4 values genuinely go clockwise, top, right, bottom, left. Add real margin bottom spacing between 3 stacked boxes. Ready to control real spacing inside an element with padding?